Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to auto schedule your weekly calendar using AI. So let's get started with the video. Open any of the browser and in the search bar, we are going to use reclaim.ai as an AI over here. So here what you need to do, if you do not have any account here, you need to click on get started and sign up. If you already have an account, you can click on login. So once you are logged in, this will be the home page that will come. So if you want to schedule your weekly schedule over here, that will automatically sync with calendar. Just click on this calendar sync and give the access of calendar to this. You can choose the source to destination. You have to create and add an account here. You can add the Google account or Outlook account in order to sync this with your calendar. So once this has been done, in order to schedule the weekly calendar, you need to go to this habit section that you see. And here you will see a new habit. In order to create a new habit, I have scheduled the lunch and breaks. You can click on this new habit. Enter the habit name. For example, you can write working hours here or your office work. You can share the priority over here. Here you can enter the calendar that you want to schedule the event on or sync your calendar to. Here you can mention is it work or personal. So since we are scheduling the working hours, it's work. If you want to add any kind of notes here, for example, I'll take the break from a particular time, or any kind of notes that you want to set, or any kind of reminder that you want to set that you need to share this file tomorrow, you need to complete this task by tomorrow, you can add it here in notes. Here you can schedule the working hours over here. What are your meeting hours, what are your personal hours, and what are your working hours. You can click on this edit your working hours. It will take you to another page. Here you can edit it from which time, from Monday which time to which time you are working. Same goes for other days of the week as well. Once it's been done, the next thing you can do is again come back to this page. Here you want the schedule to get repeated or not, you can mention it here. You can mention what's your ideal time and what is the duration for it, what is the start date and end date for it. For example, I'm working from Monday to Friday. You can set the date from Monday to Friday here, from 16 to ending date is 20, and the schedule will repeat for 5 days. These are some of the reminders. If you want to set it, I'll recommend use calendar default reminders. The next is visibility. Since if this is your working calendar, you can also make it as public so other employees can also look into it and have a look. Next one is time defense. So if you want to use reclaims AI, so you need to choose it. If it's always free, you can choose this one. Always busy, you can choose your time defense over here. And these are some other points as well. If you want to add any keyword, you want to CC other, you want to email someone, you can add an email here to get an update of your task or weekly schedule. Then you can add an email here. Post that's what you need to do. You just need to click on save. So this is how basically you can sync your calendar with the weekly schedule done by the AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.